Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In Croatia birtije ne raden. Moramo otvoriti, we must open birtija, so people pijen, very pijen. People in Croatia navikli going to birtija, and now birtija nicht open, nicht raden, so people very upset, nobody dobre volje. We must, EU is big birtija, EU ima velike birtije, a small Croatia birts, plaćan pay taxes, porezi, ZAMP, Croatia gospodarska komora, pay doprinos, mirovinski, fiscalization, svi račune, mi zatvoren, closed, mi zatvorila birtija, and now people want to go, Kava to go, but we said no go, pičko, no, reću na engleskom sad. People must go to birtija, EU big birtija, Croatia small birtija, puno small birtija, and we must big birtija imati isto, jer puno we wait open terase, kak se kaže na engleskom, chairs on the terase, and people can drink on terasama od first treći, and then message to all EU za birtije je people must drink very hard. Thank you.